Here we're going to calculate the determinant of a matrix. We're going to do a 2x2 and a 3x3 to see how this procedure works. So I'm just going to start off on page 24 with number 1. We have the matrix A is 2, negative 1, negative 1, 2. And what you do to take the determinant is you multiply the diagonal entries together. Well, for a 2x2, you multiply the diagonal entries together. And then you subtract the sort of other diagonal. So this leaves us with 4 minus 1, which is 3. So the determinant of the matrix A is 3. Now, remember in general, it's this one times this one minus this one times this one. Okay, if we go to a larger sized matrix, here we'll just show you number 7. Let's see. It's the 3x3 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, and then 3, 5, 6. What we do is we calculate the determinant in terms of the smaller ones. So the first thing is we want to go down the first column. We start out with 1, and then we're going to multiply that by the determinant of the smaller matrix that we get when we take out the first column and the first row in this case. So I'm going to write it as 1 times the determinant of the matrix, 4, 5, 5, 6. Then as we move down the first column, we change signs. So we'll get minus 2 times the determinant of the matrix that we get when we take out the first column and the second row now. So that leaves us with the matrix 2, 3, 5, 6. We're moving down to the column now, so switch signs again. And then we have the determinant of the matrix generated by removing the first column. That's why we picked the first column, because they were the same each time. We were always just removing the first column. And in this case, the third row. So 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm not done, because I haven't calculated these small determinants. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that using the 2x2 formula. It's 1 times 4 times 6 is 24, minus 5 times 5 is 25, minus 2 times 2 times 6 is 12, minus 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 times 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 3 is 12, so minus 12. And now we should probably simplify to make our lives easier. Let's see, that should be negative 1 minus 2 times negative 3 plus 3 times negative 2, which is negative 1 plus 6 minus 6, which is negative 1. So what we get is that the determinant of G here is negative 1.